This is the Morrison County Food Shelf Fundraiser Weekly Update. You've been busy bringing in your canned goods, dry packaged foods, and money, and your teachers have been busy tallying up your points. Well, who is the top class for week number 2? It is Mrs. Varner's 5th graders, bringing in 136 items. That is awesome. A sweet treat will be delivered to your classroom today. And at Lincoln Elementary, how many items have we all brought in together? 466. That is awesome. Thank you for bringing in those items. And if your class didn't get that sweet treat, that's okay, because the point of the Morrison County Food Shelf fundraiser is that nobody goes hungry, but instead has a full tummy. And with 466 items, that is incredible. Remember to drop down in the foyer and watch those food items grow and grow. And for these 2 weeks, how many items have we all brought in together? Well, 319 for the first week plus 466 for the second week equals 785. That is awesome. So thank you for bringing in your donations. That's awesome. This is the Morrison County Food Shelf Fundraiser Weekly Update.